Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, it's me, your chemistry teacher, Ms. Tahmina Nazir from APS NC Khanewal, and it's week 1 and day 2. Today we will discuss gaseous state in detail. Okay, now today we will be able to understand gaseous state and also Boyle's law of gases with examples. So listen and watch carefully because your concept must be clear. Properties of gases. What is gas? Firstly, we have to do what is we have to know what is gas. Gas do not have definite volume or definite shape. Gas takes the shape of whatever container it is in, like balloons, and this is like fork. General properties of gases: free space between them. Gases can be expanded, and means they are compressible, and gas filled container uniformly and completely. Gas diffuse and mixed rapidly. These are the properties of gases, and that we already have discussed in previous lesson, and you know all these properties. Okay, again this is a video to understand the gases.
Gases, unlike liquids and solids.
Gases have more spaces between them, as you can see, and compressible. They take the shape of any container, and it is compressible. Student, this is recap of our previous lesson, and you can see there is more distance between the gas particles. And so when we compress the gas particles, changing pressure means when we compress the gas particles, their volume also decreases and their pressure on changing temperature. You can see when we add, it is compressor, when we compress gas molecules, gas containers, their molecules come close to each other and their volume decreases. 1 liter volume and pressure 100 kilopascal. And now this is temperature decreases on increasing pressure. So there is inverse relation between the pressure and volume. Okay, students, our next topic is laws related to gases. The relationship that express the influence of one variable on the another with two variable constant are called gas law. Here the variables are temperature, pressure, number of moles, and volume. These are the variables when the relationship of these variables are called gas laws. And here two gas laws are there. First Boyle's law and second is Charles' law. Today students, we are going to start to learn Boyle's law. And this is video.
A real quick explanation of Boyle's law. We have here our classic piston in a cylinder graphic here, where we trap a gas inside. One of the criteria for Boyle's law is that we keep the temperature and the number of moles of gas constant. So in this illustration, we're going to only be changing the pressure and the volume, which have an inverse relationship. I had to state Boyle's law. That would be the direct statement of it. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So if we take this diagram and we allow it to compress now, we'll take the same gas, compressing it to a smaller volume, the pressure will go up. Now if we add a plot of pressure versus volume and show you a cycling where we expand and compress the gas through a cycle, you can see from this plot and the dot that we put on it that there's all these states that are possible as you go from compression to expansion. And that's an illustration of Boyle's law, and you can use it to solve lots of different gas problems.
So this is gas law, and here gas law P1 V1 is equal P2 V2. Students, decreasing volume, increasing collisions, and increasing pressure means this is volume increasing on decreasing pressure. And the volume molecules are far apart from each other. They move randomly in or in all the container, and volume V1 is 1 and pressure 100. And when we increase its pressure, their volume become decreases. So this is the inverse relation. When increase volume, decrease pressure, volume increases, and when we increase pressure, volume will be the decreases. So this is the Boyle's law. Here's summary of today's lesson. Today we have discussed general properties of gases and also Boyle's law. In constant random motions, travel in straight until collide with each other. Means these gas molecules straight move, and when they change their path when they collide with another molecule of gas and collide with wall of container. All collisions are perfectly elastic. Gas diffuse throughout the container until there is a equal concentration throughout the container. Here you can see, yeah, this is gas molecule, this is solid molecules, and this is liquid, and this is gas. There more space between gas molecules. And also students were gas filled in balloons. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.